Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbee. Today I will tell you about the story of face saving formula. The Tenali tells face saving formula. Uh, Krishna Deva Raya, the king of Vijayanagara, has ordered Tenali Ramana to not show his face. Then Raman was waiting for an opportunities to win over the king. One morning, Raman was surprised to see a fall. Fat man being carried on a chair by four short and shoutsman. The procession was heading for the places. This must be the Pahalwan from the north, and through Raman, who had heard people taking about a strong man from the north, and the Pahalwan from the north called on a king, Krishna Deva Raya, and I am going around the world to see if I can meet a man stronger than me, and I challenge the Pahalwan of Vijayanagar to with me. The king fixed a day for the event and asked his Pahalwans to get ready to face the challenger from the the north, and the Pahalwan took one look at the man, and their heart snapped. He is so hug. I don't think any one of us can grapple with him, said one Pahalwan in his hands. We will be the chickens, and send another. The minister informed the king that the local Pahalwans to take up the challenge thrown at them by the man from the north. Uh, is there no one who can save the honor of Vijayanagara, and explained the king. One man was ready to save the honor of Vijayanagara, and I had was a Raman. But the king had ordered him not to show his face. Then you can still help the king, said Raman's wife. And the next day, King Krishna Deva Raya was surprised to see a visitor whose face was covered with a black pot. And who are you? What's this who are you? What's this nonsense? Shouted the king in anger. The man replied, Maharaj, it is me, Raman, and had I not warned you to not show your face again, and yelled the king. Then Maharaj, I am not showing my face to you. I will cover it. And the king couldn't help but laugh. Then all right, what brought you to the court? The king asked. And I want to take on this Pahalwan from the north, Maharaj, said Raman. And the king was delighted to hear he ordered all the Pahalwans of the kingdom to report to Raman. One On the following day, the Pahlawans of Vijayanagara carried Raman on a chair to the arena where the Pahlawan from the north was waiting, and on his arrival the king signaled that the contest could again. Then Tenali Raman stepped forward and Maharaj, I challenge my to do with eyes open. What can do with my eyes closed, said Raman, and a chair was brought for Raman where he sat. Then he closed his eyes, and his the assistant brought a bucket full to the sand and splashed it on the Raman face. Thank you.